Today, I would like to introduce one new machine for you. This is for our United States customer. This is a fiber laser tube cutting machine. This is 6 kilowatts, with the tube diameter is 220. As you can see, the tube length is about 6 meters long, and here is a computer. It's very simple, but it's very useful. Just like as you know, our company is very famous in the fiber laser cutting machines. For example, for the tube cutting, just like this. No matter you are round tube, square tube, or H-fiber tube, we also can do it. And we also prefer professional for the plate cutting, or the tube and plate together for one machine. So if you have interest about the machines, about the fiber laser cutting machines, no matter what kind of it, just contact with us. I'm sure we will give you very good price, very good service, and you will have very surprised about everything from us. I'm waiting for you.